Let's start to create our work environment. The case study we're going to use to develop the course is focused on the orders placed by a customer, as a sub-process within the sales business process. When a customer order is entered, under certain conditions, it may happen that there is no connection to SAP ERP. It could be, for example, because we're implementing a POS-type solution where this situation may occur, or when there's no connection due to SAP ERP maintenance or updates. For this reason, the development of a system integrated into SAP ERP for entering sales orders is requested. The above situation should be considered. That is to say, it should not only be possible to obtain and send information to the ERP when a connection is available, but the system should also have its own database for when there's no connection in order to synchronize the information when it's possible to do so. To this end, we'll create in Genexus a database with 3 transactions: customer, product, and sales order. They're related to each other according to the following diagram, where a sales order belongs to a customer and is also related to many products. Let's see it in Genexus. We've created the knowledge base called GX for SAP course with the Java generator. And for now, we've left the default DBMS, which is SQL Server. We see the transactions product, customer, and sales order. However, since the system is integrated into SAP ERP, we must take into account certain considerations. First, an important point is the design system to use, because the application must have the same look and feel as SAP ERP. We'll then use the Genexus Fiori pattern, which will not only make the development work easier, but will also provide a product with a similar user experience to that of SAP ERP. A second point to consider is the database that we'll use to store our application data. Since this development is integrated into SAP ERP, it's desirable for the customer to be familiar with SAP products. That's why we'll use the SAP HANA DBMS. Finally, and for the same reason, we'll deploy the application to SAP BTP, SAP Business Technology Platform, the SAP Cloud. Next, we'll make these specifications and run the application.